Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to SDIRA Dividends. I'm Russ, and this is my wife,
Jena.
And we're going to go over, not I, it's our money, it's our portfolio. We're going to go over what we did in the bridge portfolio and the self-directed IRA portfolios for y'all. And I'm calling this dividend porn because you're going to watch what we bought. You want to hear dividends? I got plenty of dividends coming at you. So without further ado, my lip is healing a little bit nicely. If you weren't paying attention to the ongoing saga with my lip, I did have the worst cold sore I've ever had. It was healing up nicely, and then I took a come-along handle right into the mouth, busted my lip open right on top of where the cold sore was, and now you're fully in the aware of what has been going on with that. So let's get into the bridge portfolio.
Bridge portfolio.
All right, so what did we buy this week in the bridge portfolio? Take it away.
Let's buy it. The bridge portfolio. Dividends received. AT&T, ticker symbol T, $57.20.
Cool thing real quick with the AT&T. I used that $57.20 to buy 2 more shares of AT&T at $28.60 a piece. So that equated to $57.20. 2 free shares of T added $4.16 of annual dividend income, as we'll get into. Sorry, go ahead. So that was AT&T.
Verizon, ticker symbol VZ, $6.90 for a total of $64.10. All right, the buys this week. Free shares, 2 AT&T, ticker symbol T, at $28.60. 7.27% yield on cost, added $4.16 of added income. 1 Lockheed Martin,
Yeah.
1 Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol, not tickle symbol.
No, that's fun. I like that.
Ticker symbol LMT at 3.16% yield on costs, $10.40 added income. 1 Kimberly Clark, ticker symbol, I can't say ticker symbol.
It's fine.
1 Kimberly Clark, ticker symbol KMB at $132, 3.45%
yield on cost added. $4.56 added annual income. Now, real quick about Kimberly Clark, they just raised their dividend, so that artificially has bumped up the yield, which is fantastic for such a blue chip company to be getting these at almost 3.5% yield on cost is just really incredible. And I think I'm going to go heavy, and we're going to buy more shares of Kimberly Clark this week. I want to get at least a couple more while it's still in the low 130s, which I think is a great price because I was buying in the upper 140s, the mid 140s. So to be getting the low 130s, high 120s, I'm going to be buying that all day at almost 3.5% yield on cost. And back to Lockheed Martin, I kind of went heavy on that. That's a little bit high now. That's my 5th largest position in the bridge portfolio. And you can check that. Check in the description below. It's at DeGrin. I have the link to that. I update it every time I buy something so you can follow right along. Play the game at home and follow along with what I am buying. And Lockheed Martin, I got 7 shares of it now. I've gone really heavy into that. It's gone really quickly. So it's getting a little bit up there, and I think I'm going to cool off with Lockheed until it takes a little bit of a dip, and then I might add some more. So that was Kimberly Clark and Lockheed Martin. What is next?
We also bought 2 AT&T, ticker symbol T, at $2.98, 7.18% yield on cost, added income of $4.16.
Now, real quick, check that out. So $28.60 was 7.27%. You can see just how the price goes up that little bit, the yield starts dropping down. So always remember that when the price goes up, the yield goes down. It's just inverse. So it's always interesting to check that, and just something to be aware of for those newer and beginner investors out there.
And then 1 PepsiCo, ticker symbol PEP, at $141.48, 2.89% yield on cost, added income of $4.09. So the total added income is $27.37.
That's $27.37 for our future that's going to keep growing because I'm putting it in stocks that hopefully are going to keep increasing their dividend every single year. And with Pepsi, I'm trying to buy 100 shares. That is my 34th share. I'm buying 1 share a week. Don't care what the cost is. It's such a quality blue chip company that's involved in everyday life. Quaker Oats, she knows I'd make the joke I'm going to keep Pepsi in business just buying my Quaker Oats. So they are much more than soda, and that's why I like Pepsi so much better than Coca-Cola.
Oatmeal every morning.
All right, so what do we got for our income? What are we up to now?
Income breakdown, $1,882.74 yearly. $156.90 monthly, $36.21 weekly, $5.16 daily, and 21 and almost a half cent hourly.
I'm shooting for, we're going to be excited when we get to that 25 cents an hour. My big ultimate goal is to be at $1 a day. That's the focus. It's going to take some time. It's probably going to take a few years. All right. Okay, so that was it for the bridge account. Now, the bridge account is, if you're not aware, you can't access any retirement accounts until you're 59 and a half. So with the fire community, what you want to do is, if you're going to retire early, you're going to need money to live on and dividends coming in. So at least for us, in my situation and our situation, the bridge is just that. From whenever work becomes optional, that will be the bridge till 59 and a half, when we can start withdrawing tax and penalty, or not tax-free, penalty-free from the retirement accounts if we so deem necessary. So with that being said, next up is the self-directed IRA, which I moved $30,000 from our retirement account over at American Funds to Schwab with the self-directed. There's so many more options in a self-directed IRA. As you'll see, you can sell covered calls, you can buy penny stocks if you want to. There's just a myriad of options that you don't have with mutual funds. So it's just there's just so many more options for you to play around with. And
wait, did you say we received dividends this week?
We did receive dividends.
We received dividends this week?
We did. Let's hear it. What do we got?
Let me tell you, we have AT&T, you might know as ticker symbol T.
More T.
$104. JP Morgan Chase, ticker symbol
That gives me an idea.
JPM.
So my daughter and my wife have started an online t-shirt store, and she came up with a t-shirt that says my favorite t-shirt, but AT&T's ticker symbol T, so it could be my favorite T.
My favorite AT&T
My
shirt.
favorite AT&T t-shirt. Anyway, that's too much T. Let's go. $104 from AT&T. What's next?
JP Morgan Chase, ticker symbol JPM, $7.20.
Money.
General Dynamics, ticker symbol JD.
GD. It is a ticker. That's JD.
Is that JD? Boss Hog? No, that's the wrong one. Okay.
It's showing our age. Okay.
General Dynamics, ticker symbol GD, $11 for a total of $122.20 for dividends we received.
$122 in dividends, and I'm going to keep putting those right back in and buying more shares. It's just that snowball just keeps growing.
I like money.
Oh, I like money. Yeah. I like money, though. Can't believe you like money, too.
Money. All right, what did we buy? What did we buy in the SDIRA?
Buys this week. So we got to buy. In order to get dividends, you have to buy. We got 2 Income Realty, ticker symbol O, at $58.99, 4.78% yield on cost, $5.64 added income.
Beautiful.
And then another 2 Realty Income, ticker symbol O, $61.37, 4.6% yield on cost, added income $5.64. Total $11.28 added income.
$11.28 we added. I think what I'm going to keep doing with the SDIRA, we're pretty well diversified, so I might just keep using the dividends to buy shares of Realty Income so we can get to 100 and start selling some covered calls on Realty Income. Now, the thing about the SDIRA is I'm not adding any more money currently. I may roll more money next year, or later in the year, that is. It's already next year. I may do another $30K. But that does come with a cost. There was like a $150 or $125 processing fee on American Funds side. So that did cost me some money, but it was a non-taxable event because that was going from one retirement account to another retirement account. So there was no taxes or penalties to be paid on that. But anyway, so $11.28 is what we received.
Now we're going to break down the SDIRA.
Self-directed IRA. Yep.
SDIRA.
What do we get for income now?
Yearly, $1,648.37. Monthly, $137.36. Weekly, $31.70. Daily, $4.52. Hourly, 18, almost 19 cents.
18 cents an hour. So I will be putting this on to Grin as well. I just have to set it up. I'll be doing that later. And you can check that out as well, what we've got going on in the self-directed IRA. And you can follow that along too, as with everything I'm doing with the bridge portfolio. But the bridge is a little more exciting because I got new capital going in every single week, and the self-directed IRA is a little bit dried up. So what am I doing to generate even more income within that?
What are you doing?
I'm selling covered calls. So what I did to generate some extra cash was I sold an Altria, ticker symbol MO, covered call for $53. Now that was a $43 strike price. And because Altria didn't go above $43, this call did expire on February 5th. It expired worthless. I got paid $53. 65 cents of that Charles Schwab does keep as a fee, so we receive $52.35 into the account. We keep that no matter what. If you don't know how covered calls work, what you're doing is you have to own 100 shares of the company, and they have to be optionable, and you're selling that contract basically like a casino. You're the house, which you have the better odds of that not hitting, and you always want to sell above your average cost, because if you sell below and the shares get called away, you're going to lose money. Doesn't make sense. So we are now free and clear on Monday to sell another covered call contract on those 100 Altria shares. Just fantastic. We made $53 just like that. Didn't have to do anything additional, and I won that gamble. And even if the shares get called away, because this was $43, they would have gotten, we would have only gotten paid to that $43. So if they closed at 45, we would have missed out on everything after 43. Actually, $43.53, because we were paid 53 cents a share times 100 shares is $53. And rambling now, but that's pretty much it. That's what's been going on with the two portfolios I mainly talk about here. And obviously expertise always comes from you, the community. So let me know in the comments below what you thought. What did you think of my wife here? Do you want to hear read next week what we did? Join us again. Let me know. I want to hear it. And I think that's all I got to say. Follow me on Twitter at RustyRam78 and Instagram at Dapper Dividends. That's right there. Yeah. And and if you want to know, I use Schwab. I love Schwab. There's another video. Check it out right here. And we will talk to you in the next video.
This is the part where I ASMR the SDIRA dividends this week.
We'll see you.